Welcome to another edition of Tech Tips in 1 minute or less. How to create custom wallpaper. Start by clicking the power button off, then on, then tap hold. From here, scroll right, then tap add. Here you can choose from a variety of suggested options or access your camera roll. After choosing a photo, you have the option to scale and position the image, customize font styles, and apply color. Next, you can add widgets and apply filters. Finally, tap Set Wallpaper and your wallpaper is complete. Please subscribe to get more tech tips in 1 minute or less.